I found this guy. He's gonna make a poem for me. So beautiful. I love it. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode here in Berlin. We at the Nordbahnhof. Just made it from Schöneberg to the Nordbahnhof after having some breakfast here with my friend David. If you haven't seen our last episode, he's my friend. I met in Ireland, we lived together, we were roommates, and now I visit him here in Berlin because he moved here. And yeah, we're gonna explore the area around Nordbahnhof and then heading to a flea market. It's on the way. It's called Mauerpark. It's one of the most famous flea markets here in Berlin. I mean, there's a lot, but like this is one of the biggest and most famous one. So we're gonna check that out. And yeah, along the way we see a lot of these kind of monument to remember the border between the east and the west of Germany.
Yes,
and
exactly.
What was that? Do you know what it was?
So that was the pillars, the inside pillars of the wall that are still standing.
Okay.
Yes, that was the wall, but think about inside the foundation.
Yeah, inside the.
And
wow.
those are the ones as well.
Okay,
so
and
that's
those are the
very
ones,
famous
and
one.
then. Okay, we're gonna check that out.
And you will see some like names as well as you go along of people who died or kids or families who passed.
You really see along this path all them pictures from the past. There, people being separated, sending greetings over the wall. A lot of new buildings.
I just like the fact that there are certain things that are still standing.
Yeah.
You know, like this is a residential area, but look at that. That's like a history in the residential area.
Yeah, within that they preserve it. Yeah, it's true.
You know, I think a lot of the stuff were destroyed as well, so there were no remnants. And then there the stuff that remained, that was the one that was preserved.
Yeah.
Right, so. But it's good that it was preserved. People can see it.
We reached the Mauerpark location. I can see through the fence some vendors. Oh, that second-hand clothes, and we see some carpets.
Yes.
Yeah. I was actually thinking to buy something and to do some bargaining, because well, this is what you should do.
You have to go the other way actually.
Go there and do some bargaining. I also want to see, compared to Asia and some other countries, how and is it possible to do bargaining and haggling here in Germany. So hopefully we find something nice and to try our skills. I'm with an expert haggler as well.
You have the flea market, you have people dancing to techno music, you have people dancing to reggae music, you have people dancing to like pop music, you have architecture on that side, you have graffiti on the wall,
so you
people
have
painting it.
everything.
So like it's like I don't know, it's like a jungle of everything. Like that's one of the things I love about Mauerpark. You know, it's like you can go in and it's so much energy from people.
So much energy. Actually, I already feel the energy. There's so many people already. I see on the other side of the road there's so many people.
God, I'm just so excited.
So excited. You have been here before. It's gonna be your second time. My first time. Oh my god, there is so many people.
How does it feel for you?
Feel for me?
Yeah.
What do you mean? It's just a lot. It reminds me of traveling not in Germany, because there's so many people. And guys, if you know me, I'm not the biggest fan of crowds and too many people, but we have an objective today, so
Yes, exactly, we do.
Oh, I see the first stands. They're selling some, things like army things, army clothes, right? Rechts. Oh, sunglasses, jewelry, hats. Oh, look, all the jewelry, all the hats. I feel back in Asia. Guys, I think I'm in my element. All them cool shops and stuff. It's just everything like triple the price. There you go. We have incense. We have more jewelry. Palo Santo. That's pretty cool. What's the plan, David? We walk around?
Because yeah, we are walking around, so we will go up.
Go up there.
Come down.
Okay.
And then
everybody's hanging around. Everybody's chilling out and having a good time. I think we first going up this way and then walk all around and then come this way back. We have something to do, and there's so many people, and I think so many vendors. Look, all them people chilling out and having a good time. Now I definitely can understand why this is one of the most popular flea markets, because it's so big. And yeah, especially on a day like this, it's probably one of the last summer days this year in Germany. So we're at the Mauerpark, and it's actually here on the wall. It's actually legally allowed to do graffiti in other parts, because in Germany it's quite, well, it is illegal to do these kind of paintings, and I think here on the Mauerpark this part is legal, so artists come here and, you know, do their creative work and their graffiti.
Out over here, it's like so many colors, so many colorful things.
Look at all the people sitting there listening to the music. Amazing, and the TV tower in the background. Okay, so we're at the start of the flea market, and it's absolutely busy. You ready for this? Let's check out what I have, right? Let me go over here. Jewelry. Yeah, you like colorful. That's something for David. All in colors. It looks more like second hand, but my first impression, what I noticed, is a lot of actually shops, less than a flea market, so a lot of shops selling t-shirts and creative things. I do love it, but yeah, it's not like flea market. Maybe find a section where we can actually get second-hand stuff.
Well, the one near my house is more of a flea market.
I think this is more like a shop.
11. 10. You can give me 10.
Okay, these girls just haggled actually, so it is possible. 1 euro. 1 euro discount. Looking at rings, of course. I do love my rings. Maybe I find a new one. Maybe I find a nice one. David wants to check out the food. There's like in the middle kind of like food stalls, and of course selling beer over here. What do you feel like, David? What do you feel like? That's burgers.
Big question.
You take some? Okay.
One, yes? Yeah.
750 please.
Yeah. So, sorry. Where can I throw this?
How much? 7 euro?
7 euro.
Here. Try.
Oh.
Delicious?
Very nice.
All them old cameras. So cool. Do you want an old camera? This is like true antiques here. Look what I have, all them coins and stuff. All them old coins. Yeah, all of it actually. They're from everywhere. Oh, that's the old steamers. Clothes. Second-hand clothes. Oh, and you have these boxes where you can look for clothes. More antiques and jewelries. Oh, more jewelry. I have to look.
Yeah, I can buy jewelry all the time. I just noticed that. This is what a flea market looks like.
Yeah. It's more like the antique section of the flea market. You have like cups and glasses and plates.
I think this side is maybe more.
Yeah, look, this is so beautiful. It's so cool. This one with the gold. Look.
Yeah.
Oh look, they even sell instruments and everything, vases and stuff. So nice. I'm taking these leather straps for Glenn actually. It's like €1.50 for 1 meter. Okay, I hope he will be happy about that. You found anything?
Oh, you mean like fascinating things? Yes, a lot. Yeah. And look at those cups. Those are I like this.
Oh,
I love this. Yeah, I mean also nothing like a big mug of coffee. You know, I love big mug coffee.
so you. God, this is so amazing. I found a guy. He makes a. You give him 3 words and then he makes a poem out of it. I think I'm gonna do it, see what he can do. Hey, how are you? I'm a travel vlogger. Can you do one for me?
Yeah, sure. You can give me the words now and I'll come back in like 20 minutes to pick it up.
Okay.
Do you have that much time?
So I found this guy, he's gonna make a poem for me. So actually I traveled with my partner, his name is Glenn. Can you include a name in it? So Glenn, G-L-E-N. G-L-E-N. Yeah, that's his name. And then maybe travel, love and journey.
Travel, love and journey.
Yeah, or if you have more creative.
No, that's fine, yeah. Yeah, come back in 20 minutes or stick around and read my little book.
Amazing. Can you tell me something about yourself?
I mean,
So where you from? Are you from Germany?
I was born 3 kilometers that way.
Okay, amazing. And how did you get into writing poems on the street?
A friend of mine used to ask for 3 words of inspiration for drawings, and since I write,
And you like enjoying it?
yeah,
Amazing. You can actually live from that?
I do.
Yeah, that's
Well,
amazing.
having a book published helps, but
Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, I'll come back in 20 minutes, see what he has to do. What's your name?
Dan.
Dan, nice to meet you. I'm Mado. Okay. Guys, I've just got a portion of chips. It was a $3.50 for this whole portion. Just, you know, I'm so starving and I have to wait for my poem. For the poem I give Glenn, so I have to wait for that. And while I'm waiting, I'm gonna eat this. Actually, my friend David, he had to leave home, so I'm gonna be alone and I'm gonna wait for him over here, listen to some music and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Coming back, checking on my poem, see if it's done. Hello, hello.
hey there.
How's my poem?
Done. Do I make it out to Glenn? Or who's it
Sure,
for? Yeah?
sure. For Glenn, yeah.
Do you want me to recite it?
What do you like to sign? Yeah.
To read it out?
Yeah, read it out
Yeah.
to us. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So the words were Glenn, travel, love, and journey. Oh Glenn, you know you can always go on another journey to a place where flowers grow, to a place where cool breezes blow, to a place where blue rivers flow. Don't make it a race to some destination. To travel is not to arrive at a particular station. It's to love every moment in a faraway nation.
That's so beautiful. I love it.
Oh, I'm glad.
Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you love that poem, I hope Glenn will love it too. Thank you so much. So,
And you're also getting this flyer with my readings, and you're still in town in 2 weeks.
I won't. I'm leaving on Monday, but...
Well, then pass it on to someone else, I guess.
Amazing. So he actually said it's actually €3, but you can give whatever you want. So I'm really like appreciate the fact when artists can actually make a living off it, and it's hard work. So I give this guy €5. He, I think, appreciated. Yeah, and I hope Glenn will like my little souvenir, my little present, and I think it's just so cool. Look, guys, it's written on an old writing machine. It's actually the word for these things, old typing machine, I actually think. So this is pretty a cool souvenir, because whenever we travel we don't have much space, we can't bring a lot of things, so I'm happy I found something for him which I can bring. So yeah, I didn't actually find much what I wanted to buy. It's more like they have a flea market section here, but like most of the things are kind of shops, and as you know, we're low budget travelers, so I don't have too much money to spend, and you know, like I can't carry, because now I'm flying to Ireland, so I don't have too much space to buy stuff and bring to Ireland, so therefore I leave it at this with shopping. So guys, I'm actually on my way home now. I hope you enjoyed this episode, me going to a local market here in Berlin. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that one, and I'm heading home now. I probably have some dinner, and I see you in the next one. So if you liked that video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe for future content.